Hey guys, welcome to our channel WebTech Tutorial. Today in this video we are going to show you how to log into your Airbnb account. But before starting the video, please do subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. So in order to log into your Airbnb account, go to airbnb.com. So this is the official website of Airbnb, and in the right corner you will see the login sign. Click on this. You can also log into your Airbnb account with your Facebook or Google, or you can simply log into your Airbnb account with your email address. So we're going to do that. So in this box, input your email address, and in the box below, type in your password that you had selected while creating your Airbnb account. And if you want the website to remember your password, please click on Remember Me so that it will be easier for you next time. Also, if you don't have an account in Airbnb, click on sign up and follow the instructions. Or you can also check out our Airbnb sign up tutorial video as well. Click on login and you are done logging in to your Airbnb account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like this video and subscribe to our channel for more of these short and easy tutorials. Thank you.